this is directed to the issue of the manufacturing development. The narrative is not clear to me in terms of how you get from here to there. Particularly, you know, when I look at or review a strategy, as an economist, I look for what changes or reforms are you going to make relative to the incentive structure that is underlying the sectors or the economy as a whole. Now, and then the second thing that I look at is, okay, what binding constraints have you identified as critical, and what are you going to do to relax those binding constraints? In other words, how are you going to enable the system to be able to reach your objective? So my question is, can you give me, let's say, 2 or 3 examples of the question of incentive restructuring, and then 2 on the issue of enabling actions relative to the relaxation of critical constraints?